become a nature guardian. Welcome, Earthling. Thank you for becoming our new nature guardian. We have a big mission for you, which is to combat wildlife trafficking. You can choose from the two avatars here. First is Danish, the eco-pilot. He has military experience and has equipment such as drones to help you in achieving your task. Second avatar is Alicia. She is an experienced eco-scientist that can help you with scientific techniques and materials. Your first mission is to eliminate illegal animal trading. Go to the pirate's den and find out what you can do there. Go before it's too late. You have three choices, Nature Guardian. Choose wisely to save the animals. Nature Guardian, we have failed in our mission to save the animals. The animals are captured here in cages. No! Nature Guardian, you see, we have made the wrong decision and the animals have died. No!